In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook location settings. Whether you've moved to a new city, want to explore local content, or just want to enhance your privacy, knowing how to adjust your location settings is crucial. Let's get started. First, launch the Facebook application. Then, tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon seen on the top right corner. Next, tap the gear icon also found on the top right corner. To easily navigate the location tool, just tap the search icon found on the upper right corner. Then, search for location. Tap Device Permissions. This is where you can find the location option. So just tap the SE Info button beside location, then tap Update Settings. Now, select Open Device Settings. It will direct you to your device settings. Then, select the Permissions option. Scroll down until you find the location permissions, then click on Don't Allow Location. This is where you can change your location settings. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.